Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this concept array aggregation in Google BigQuery. In Google BigQuery, array aggregation, it is an aggregate function that collects values into an array. It is useful when you want to group rows and return an array of values for a specific column or expressions. Now we are going to see this demo, friends. So before that, actually, I'm going to create a table. Okay, so I need to create a one table and I'm going to insert some records also for this demo purpose. Okay, so now I'm using the chat GPT. So I took some sample data set. So first, we don't have any tables that I'm going to create one employee table under the test data set. So this is the script for that, creating the table. So I'm going to copy and paste it. I will attach this document in the description, friends, so you can also do that. So now I'm going to close the unwanted queries. So just I'm closing it, close it. Okay, sounds good. Now I'm going to create a table. Okay, so replace with this project ID dataset. So I'm going to copy my project ID. I'm copying my project ID, friends. Then yeah, so replace with our project ID. So you can put your project ID, friends, and test. Okay, so replacing the project ID. Then test dataset. So my dataset name is test dataset. So I'm giving my name, test dataset name, and the table name is employees. Okay, now I'm going to run this query. So it has employee ID, name, department, job role, and age column. Okay, so yeah, the table has been created right now. Now I'm going to check these things. Next thing is I'm going to insert few records into that table, employee table. Okay, now I'm going to insert that one. Okay. Okay, now I'm checking the details. So preview, there is no data to display, friends. These are the columns, field names. Now I'm going to insert the few records. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the records. So replace with our project ID. So I'm going to copy this project ID and my dataset name. So replacing it here, friends. Your my project ID and test dataset. So this one we have to insert these records. So I'm going to delete these things. No, and, okay, now we need to run this query, friends. We have to run this query. So I'm going to insert a few records. There are 8 rows it will create right now. The statement added 8 rows to the employees. Now we can see, friends, under the preview. Now I'm going to click refresh. Then the data will be displayed right now. Okay. Now we have successfully loaded the data. Okay. Employee ID, name, department, job role, and the age column. Okay. There are 8 rows only, friends. Okay. Now only we are going to do this the demo. So aggregation, array aggregation we are going to do. Okay. Okay, friends. So now I'm going to run this query, select, then I'm giving as a department. Then okay, before that, I would like to show these things, friends. So this is the table, okay. So this is the employee ID table. We are having department like HR, IT, finance, right? So this is results we need to get. This output I want, friends. So department should be HR, then the names and the employee count. It should be like that. I need a result. I need a output, okay. So how to do that? So by using the array aggregations, we are going to do that. So basically, the array aggregation, it will aggregate the function which collects the values into an array. So that is what this array aggregation it will do. So now department and I'm giving array aggregations inside the bracket. I'm going to give the employee name. So employee name, I'm giving employee underscore name. So column name, we need to specify it. Alias name. So whatever the name we can give it. So employee underscore names I'm giving. Then next is from. Then we need to give our project ID, dataset name, and table name followed by we need to specify it. Okay, so I'm copying from the table ID. So I'm replacing it, friends. Then okay, I need to put the title symbol. Okay, So title symbol, I have told title symbol we need to put it. Okay. So then we need to update the group by friends. So group by basically this class groups together rows in a table that share common values for a certain column. So that's what we are need to use the group by that one. So group by class. So group by department friends. So already we have given right select department. So same we need to give this column name group by department. Now we can see friends we are going to run this query. Okay, now I'm formatting this query. Then I'm going to run it friends. So we have done the format. So we will be, I'm expecting these results. Let's see, friends. Okay. So now we are able to achieve it somewhat. Department, it is coming, the HR and the employee name. There are two employee for HR and IT. There are four employees. Finance, there are two employees. It is coming. Okay. So, but yeah, somewhat we have done it, friends. But one more column we need actually employee count column. So employee name and department it came, but employee count we need to add it, friends. So that is again one more thing we need to add. One more line. Just put comma, and here array of length we are going to use it, friends. So that this is for checking the count. Okay. So counting for that. So before that, just copy this one, and I am going to put it, friends. Array aggregations array aggregation employee name. Okay. So here I am putting a before that array and length array underscore length I am putting, friends. Array underscore length of array aggregations of employee name. So close the bracket here. And here I am giving alias name as count, friends. Employee underscore count. Okay. So we are going to check the count. Okay. So employee count. So now I am going to run it. Let's see, friends. Now we have whatever results I expected, it will come, friends. So count it will come here. Okay. So there are you can see okay just in this one. So employee count it came, friends. There are two employees for this HR and there are four employees in IT department and there are two employees in finance department. So that's what we have achieved this, friends, by using the array underscore aggregation. So basically it is an aggregate function which collects values into an array. So that is what the aggregation. So I will copy, yeah. So you can, we have successfully completed the demo. Whatever the results we expected, it came, friends. I will attach the script into the descriptions, friends, so you can also check it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.